Hello, everyone. A sudden and dangerous flash flood caught everyone off guard in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, sending multiple vehicles drifting and throwing the entire area into chaos. The same storm system is responsible for both the rainbow and the tornado, as sunlight interacts with rain while unstable air currents spin into a destructive vortex. In just seconds, powerful winds overwhelmed this gas station, lifting the roof structure and turning the entire area into a scene of chaos and panic. You can almost feel the excitement on that boat as thousands of dolphins race across the water ahead, creating an unforgettable and electrifying moment. This is a perfect example of a moving rain band, where the storm system pushes precipitation forward, creating that dramatic line between dry and soaking wet ground.
This is so weird. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so weird. I'm gonna get soaked. I'm gonna get soaked.
That jellyfish looks absolutely massive, and the way it's tangled in seaweed makes it even more surreal to watch. This kind of cloud structure usually forms in highly unstable air, where warm air rises rapidly and cooler air sinks, creating that dramatic rotation. This is what record-breaking winds can do. Roofs are being torn apart, debris is flying everywhere, and entire neighborhoods in northern China are buried in thick dust clouds. This isn't a sunset, it's a blood-red sunrise over Los Angeles, caused by wildfire smoke turning the sky into something straight out of an apocalyptic movie. Terrifying moments caught on camera as a 7.9 earthquake shakes a supermarket in Myanmar, sending debris falling and people running in panic. Within moments, this calm street turns chaotic as a violent storm rolls in, whipping up rain and wind strong enough to shake everything in sight. In dry, hot conditions like this, rising air can spin into a dust devil, creating a powerful vortex that sweeps everything loose off the ground. That glowing giant in the sky is a cumulonimbus cloud, built by rising warm air and powerful enough to generate lightning inside its massive structure. This incredible ocean phenomenon happens when two wave systems meet over a shallow reef, forcing water upward into a dramatic explosion-like spray. Beneath the calm surface lies a hidden world of ice, where submerged formations can extend deep and create unseen hazards.
The port.
This massive wall of dust is a haboob, a powerful sandstorm that forms when strong winds push dense dust forward like a moving wall across the land. In an extremely rare event, Saudi Arabia's desert was transformed by heavy hail and rushing floodwaters into what looked like a moving river of ice.
ये देखिए 18 पेड़े से और वाली साइड अब पूरी तरह से सामने गिर रही है देखिए.
After days of heavy rainfall, the saturated hillside along the Kulu Manali Road in India finally gave way, triggering a massive landslide that sent rocks and mud crashing down. The sudden appearance of so many frogs is often a sign of a healthy ecosystem, especially after rain creates ideal conditions for them. What you're seeing is cloud iridescence, a rare optical phenomenon where thin clouds scatter sunlight into vibrant rainbow colors. You can see how quickly the situation changes as an avalanche sweeps down, forcing all activity in the area to come to a halt. This giant arc-shaped cloud over Lake Erie, Canada, is a shelf cloud, formed by storm-driven winds pushing cool air forward and lifting warm air, signaling an approaching severe storm. A small dust whirlwind suddenly swept through a festival parade in Landerneau, France, startling the crowd and scattering tents and debris. But fortunately, no one was injured. This is honestly one of the strangest things I've seen. It looks like something is coming out from under the ground. The sound comes from the horse rubbing and tapping its lips and teeth against the door, something they often do when they're curious or seeking attention. These are oarfish deep-sea giants that can grow over 10 meters long, usually living hundreds of meters below the surface, which makes sightings like this extremely rare and fascinating. Heavy rain proved too much for the Teufbach stream in Switzerland, forcing it out of its banks and setting off landslides that carried trees downhill.
Cuatro aguaceros de agua. En la vida uno había visto eso. 2, 3 y 4 tormentas.
Dashcam footage captured the terrifying moment a 9.1 magnitude earthquake struck Japan, causing vehicles in Tokyo to shake violently and lose control. For the first time in Chuvashia, Russia, intense snowmelt from surrounding farmland surged toward residential areas and nearly drowned an entire village. A powerful tsunami struck a Honua village in Russia, sending massive waves surging inland and sweeping vehicles and debris through the streets. These are golden jellyfish, often found in isolated lakes where they evolved without predators, making them mostly harmless to humans. A powerful earthquake struck Anchorage, Alaska, and home footage reveals how violently the interior of the house shook during the tremor. Major landslide occurred in a Tajikistan valley near the Kyrgyzstan border, leaving sections of the road to the neighboring country blocked. While it may look like a mysterious object in the sky, the moving light is actually a distorted sun halo influenced by rapidly changing atmospheric conditions. Known as the lion's mane jellyfish, this species is one of the largest cold water jellyfish in the world, often found in the northern Atlantic and Pacific Oceans.
A moment that shows the wild side of Playa del Carmen's coastline in Mexico.
A rare tornado-like dust vortex was spotted in Aknur, Jammu, India, lasting around 10 minutes and swirling across fields without causing any damage. This natural light beam is called a sun pillar, and it forms when flat ice crystals in the atmosphere reflect sunlight back toward the observer. This phenomenon is called a sun halo, an atmospheric optical effect that occurs when sunlight is refracted and reflected by ice crystals high in the sky. What was once a dry riverbed quickly filled with rushing brown water, as flash flooding swept through and eroded the surrounding terrain. This is a lava fountain where molten rock is forced upward through a vent by pressure from gases beneath the surface, creating a dramatic fire-like column. A small phreatic eruption occurred at Taal volcano in the Philippines, where superheated water beneath the crater lake suddenly turned to steam and exploded upward. A sudden underground explosion caused this road in China to crack open, possibly due to gas buildup or pressure below, and the exact cause is still under investigation.
Wow, they look like snow, but bigger. Look at these people balconies.
Thanks for watching till the end. Hit subscribe so you're always the first to catch new videos. See you in the next one.